Linux users and groups. In this video, we'll be talking about Linux users and groups and how can you create, modify, and do a lot of stuff. Mind you, this this is a CentOS machine, so the commands are a little bit different on Ubuntu. However, I'll be telling you the equivalent one on Ubuntu, but we'll be using CentOS for this tutorial. So in CentOS, user add is what is used to create a user add, but in Ubuntu it is add user, just a twist. Add user in Ubuntu. CentOS user add, then give the name in short form. Let's say Tony. Hit enter, then it's done. The user has been created. However, the password is not yet set. If it were to be in Ubuntu, immediately you run add user Tony, is going to ask you for the password you want to give the user, and that's just how it is. All right, so after that you can let's talk about how to create a group in a similar fashion. It is group add, the name, give the name consensus admin. Now we have a group and we have a user. So how can you add a user to a group? The command is so simple. It is user mod -ag, capital G, sorry. Then the name of the group, in this case is admin, and the user you want to add to the group, in this case Tony. Mind you, we have not set password to Tony anyway, but we can still add it to the group. So now we have added the user to the group. This is one way to add users to the group. Another way is to modify the VIM. There is a particular file that contains the group or the groups on this machine, so you can modify the file. If you just scroll down, you can see we have sysadmin, and every user that you create as well will have his own group. But if you look at this place, we have sysadmin and then sysadmin group, and within that group we have Tony, because we added Tony. We can just add more users by using comma say root and escape -wq to save. So now that is that. So you need to set password on this new user I just created, and how to set password is very simple. Just pass wd and the username, in this case Tony. Then it's going to ask you for the password, and just put Tony's password. Alright, the user now has a password. Let's say you want to sign into this user's account. How can you do that? Very simple. Sign in username Tony, sorry, su space Tony, like su Tony. Hit enter. Then because I'm the root user, it doesn't ask for my password. So now I've signed in as Tony. Alright, sign in as Tony. So what you should also know is how can you sign out from Tony? Let's say I want to go back to the root user. How am I going to do that? In simple time, just use exit. That's what you use, exit. It's as simple as that. So you press last is going to show you all the users that have signed into this machine. So Tony is not among, because I didn't sign in with Tony. Yes, so that's what I'm saying. Oftentimes I sign in with Vagrant because this is a Vagrant machine. So that is Linux users and groups in a nutshell. Something else you should know is how to delete a group and user. So it's just user add. You have user there, and give the name, because admin I can delete and undelete, but If you use this, it will delete, but it will not delete completely. So the user won't be able to sign in afterwards, but this is a partial delete. To complete delete, just put the recursion -r, hit enter, then the user is gone. To delete a group is simple, just group there, then the name of the group is admin, and the group is gone as well. So that's just it, guys.